It starts with a letter. Maybe it's official looking, stamped with a government seal, and addressed directly to you. Or maybe it's a quiet notification, a digital message that stops your scrolling mid-swipe. The words are simple but heavy. You have been selected for draft registration or induction. Suddenly, the theoretical becomes personal. What was once a history lesson or a political debate is now a decision that could change your life. The idea of a military draft in the modern age feels almost unreal, something that belongs to another generation. Yet in times of national emergency or geopolitical tension, the machinery of conscription can be activated faster than most people expect. And when it does, confusion and panic tend to follow. What are your rights? Do you have a choice? How soon must you act? The clock starts ticking the moment that notice arrives, and knowing your options before that moment comes is the only real defense you have. Legally, every U.S. male citizen and immigrant between the ages of 18 and 25 must register with the Selective Service System. Registration itself doesn't mean you'll be drafted, but if Congress and the President reinstate conscription, the system is ready to move within days. Names are drawn, notices are sent, and deadlines begin to appear in fine print that can decide your future. Missing those deadlines isn't just a mistake. It can mean losing the ability to make a claim for exemption, facing criminal penalties, or permanently damaging your standing for certain federal benefits. Once the draft is activated, time becomes your most limited resource. From the day your notice arrives, you typically have only a short window to respond. This is when understanding your legal options matters most. Some individuals may qualify for deferments, temporary postponements for reasons like education, family hardship, or essential civilian work. Others may pursue exemptions, such as conscientious objector status, based on deeply held moral, ethical, or religious beliefs against participation in war. But these are not automatic protections. Each requires documented proof, precise forms, and timely submission to local draft boards that will evaluate your case with scrutiny. Conscientious objector claims, for instance, are among the most misunderstood. Simply stating that you oppose war is not enough. The law requires you to demonstrate sincerity, consistency, and a moral or spiritual framework that guides your objection. That might mean letters from religious leaders, personal statements, or even testimony before a review board. It's not a loophole. It's a rigorous process designed to separate genuine belief from evasion. And then there are those who find themselves in moral gray areas. Individuals who may not object to war in principle, but cannot in good conscience participate in certain conflicts or methods of warfare. The law draws fine lines here, and misinterpreting them can lead to serious consequences. That's why speaking to a qualified attorney or legal aid organization early is essential. The right legal guidance can help you file correctly, meet strict deadlines, and prepare for hearings that will determine whether your claim is accepted or denied. While the idea of a draft may feel distant, history has shown that policy can shift overnight. Wars have started with the flick of a headline. Geopolitical tensions rise, alliances falter, and suddenly the system reawakens. In those moments, people who have already researched their rights, gathered their documentation, and understood their moral and legal positions will be the ones who stand on solid ground, while others scramble to catch up. So what should you do now before that notice ever arrives? Begin with awareness. Know your obligations, your deadlines, and the categories of deferment or exemption that might apply to you. Reflect honestly on your beliefs about war and service. Document those beliefs if they are deeply held. Keep copies of your selective service registration and any correspondence. And most importantly, stay informed about policy changes that could signal a shift toward conscription. The draft is more than a bureaucratic process. It's a moral crossroads that demands preparation before you reach it. When that letter comes, the moment to decide will already be upon you. The only question left will be whether you've prepared for it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.